Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix no service on your iPhone, iPad, iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply close this page, and then let me tell you that you have to open settings and then tap on mobile data option, and from here turn the toggle on for data roaming, and then go back and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is like this there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings, turn the aeroplane mode on for a minute, and after a minute turn it off again, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply select LTE. For that, open setting and then tap on mobile data, and then tap on mobile data option, then tap on voice and data, and from here turn the toggle on for this, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still exists, then what you have to do is just simply check network provider if there is a network update. For that, what you have to do is just simply open settings and then scroll it down, and then tap on general, then tap on about, and from here check if any update is available or not. If any update available, then what you have to do is just simply update your network provider setting, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply reset network setting. For that, open settings, go to general, scroll it down. Here you can see transfer reset iPhone. Just simply tap on this, tap on reset again, tap on reset network setting, give your passcode, and from here tap on reset network setting to confirm the process. This will delete all network settings, return them to factory defaults, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply check for update. Just simply open setting, tap on general, and then tap on software update, and from here check if any update available here. Then you have to download and install it, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply contact your network provider and verify your account is verified. And what you have to do is just simply check your device and not being blocked from receiving mobile data service, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.